Hello friends, get ready for another episode in this Planting Nature series. In this episode, I will provide information on the queen of herbs, Tulasi, which is also called as holy basil. The scientific name is Ocimum teniflorum. This aromatic plant belongs to a family called Lamiaceae or Labiatae. Tulsi is a perennial plant which can grow for more than a year. This plant is native to Indian subcontinent. Tulasi can generally grow up to 2 to 3 feet height. The stems are erect and are square shaped in cross section. The stems are hairy and heavily branched. The stems bear opposite leaves and the adjacent leaves are around 90 degrees angle. The leaves come in different colors and is the differentiating factor between types of Tulasi plants. For example, Tulasi with green leaves is called as Lakshmi Tulasi or Ram Tulasi, and the plant with purple leaves is called as Krishna Tulasi. These leaves are ovate in shape and can grow up to 5 centimeters. The flowers are very small. These are bisexual and perfect flowers. The seeds are even smaller, round to ovate shape and yellow to reddish in color. Now let's look at some of the uses of this plant. Tulasi is considered as the queen of herbs as it possesses many healing properties, hence it is highly used in Ayurveda and other traditional medicines. The leaves are especially used to treat many conditions related to respiration, digestion, skin related disorders, headache, insomnia, and some diseases like malaria, cholera, etc. The leaves can be eaten as well. These leaves consist of essential oils and mostly consumed as a herbal tea. The essential oils have antibacterial properties and insect repellent properties as well. Consumption of Tulsi herbal tea is very good for healthy heart as it contains eugenol. It also helps in anti-aging due to presence of vitamin C, A and many phytonutrients. The acetic acid content in this tea can break the kidney stones and also is a mild diuretic and detoxifying agent. It is also very good for eye health. It can relieve stress, soothes the eye inflammation. This herbal tea is very good for oral health. Tulsi leaves acts as a natural mouth refreshener and oral disinfectant. It can cure ulcers in mouth as well. The vitamin K content helps in bone health and heart health. This herbal tea can fight indigestion, headache, sleeplessness, etc. Overall, Tulsi balances the different processes in the body and helps in relieving the stress. Since the leaves are insect repellents, the dried leaves are added into the grains to store them for a longer period of time. Apart from the medical benefits, Tulsi plant is considered highly auspicious in Hindu culture. This plant is considered as a symbol of purity. There will not be any temple without this plant, and the Hindu houses are considered incomplete without this Tulsi plant. Propagation. Tulasi can be grown by seeds. Tulasi is a sun-loving plant but can also thrive in partial shade. It can also be grown through stem cuttings. This plant can survive itself with very little care because it is almost pest and disease free. Commercial and bulk production of Tulsi plant is gaining popularity these days because of the high demand of the essential oils. It was estimated that around 10 ton of Tulasi leaves can provide around 10 to 20 kg of oil. So friends, hope you found this episode informative and interesting. So if you like this episode, like it, share it and provide your feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.